Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. To change these straps on this watch, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever basically, and we can pull this lever to release the strap. So you can basically grab it with your fingernail, pull it towards the middle of the strap. Then once you pull it, it should release the strap. So let's try like this. And as you can see, you can pull it out. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. It's basically when you pull on the lever, it retracts this pin. And once the pin retracts, it releases the pin from this hole on the watch and you can pull out the strap. On this watch, it's quite hard to pull this lever for some reason, but after a couple seconds, we got them off, and here we have our straps and our watch. Okay, and once you get new straps, you simply grab them, and to put them on, you insert one end of the strap, the one that is further from the lever. You put it in the hole on the watch, like this. And once you put it in, you pull on the lever again to retract the pin. And once you retract the pin, you align it with the other hole on the watch and then release the pin for it to basically snap in. And once it snaps in, it will hold the strap. So you take the strap, you put one end in, you pull on the lever to retract the pin, and once the pin retracts, you align it with the other hole, release it, and then the pin will snap in and hold the strap. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.